What's up, everyone? This is Tony with JRNYcrypto. I hope you're all having a great day. Today is finally the last day of 2020. Finally, it's almost over. Hopefully 2021 brings in much better luck for everyone and it's a much better year overall and everything starts improving. In today's video, I will be going over top 10 cryptocurrencies and why I'm so bullish for the next week with the stimulus packages coming out, as well as some other major news. Polkadot is actually up 20% right now. I'm going to talk about that, as well as XRP and SparkPoint. There's some interesting stuff going on with that I'm going to talk to you guys about as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. When I hit 50,000 subscribers, I will be doing a massive giveaway to my subscribers, so I do appreciate subscribing. Also, comment below. I will try to answer any comments. Alright guys, so for the next week, I'm extremely bullish for top 10 cryptocurrencies, and this is because the stimulus package is coming out. It's only $600, but it will generate a lot more volume for top 10 cryptocurrencies. More demand means higher prices in general. So I do see some top 10s finally starting to go up a lot. I'm very bullish on Cardano ADA, Binance BNB. Polkadot is actually up 20%, and this is because Binance is actually featuring them on their homepage. There's some news here about this. Polkadot surges after Binance homepage listing $10 million endorsement, and I will be talking more about this and some cryptos I'm bullish because of this as well. So be sure to stick through to the end of the video. So besides that, XRP is actually up 10%, even with news of more platforms delisting, which I will talk about as well. Overall, Ethereum is down 1.5%. I am very bullish on that testing $1,000 though in the next week after people start getting their stimulus packages. Binance BNB is testing its all-time high. Besides that, I'm going to talk about some other altcoins I'm very bullish on as well. So we do have that $600 stimulus coming out, and this is said to be coming out within the first week of 2020. This here is saying some should be coming out before January 4th. So this is really coming out in the next few days. And as that comes out, as we saw with the last stimulus package, a lot of people did put that money into cryptocurrencies. Coinbase revealed some information showing that the amount of cryptocurrency bought for $1,200 was at an all-time high during that first week that stimulus checks went out. So people do buy cryptocurrencies with their stimulus checks, and those that did the first time really were smart to do that because that has over tripled by now, especially in certain altcoins, over 5 to 10x. So Bitcoin broke 29K before the end of the year. We still have a few hours left for 2020. It could possibly be hitting 30K for the first time ever. That'd be very interesting. I think it'd be better if January 1st it hit 30K, and I do think that's possible during the first week with stimulus packages coming out. So XRP is being delisted from even more platforms today. Just insane. This article on Market Insider is highlighting the cryptocurrency exchanges Crypto.com, Coinbase, and OKCoin said this week that they were suspending trading of the XRP token following the Securities and Exchange Commission complaint. Binance US announced they will be completely delisting XRP as well. And here's the article showing Crypto.com to delist, suspend XRP in the US after SEC's Ripple suit. I do believe this will continue this week, but we do see XRP up 10% today. And like I said, XRP is going to continue being very volatile. And with cryptos that are very volatile like this comes great opportunity for those longing and shorting XRP if you do it at the right times. So I pretty much jumped out of XRP at 50 cents, jumped into Cardano around 15.5 cents. So that was a good move on my part, but people are making millions of dollars shorting and longing XRP right now if you know what you're doing. So Polkadot today hit $8.68, up 20%, 70% on the 7-day. That's just insane. This is just shooting upwards in market cap. It was just tied with Cardano around 5 billion. Now it's at 7.8 billion. Just insane. So I do think Cardano ADA is undervalued now. Polkadot did get listed on Binance. Polkadot surges after Binance homepage listing. So that's interesting. And I do want to talk more about Binance listing projects as well. But Polkadot, I did say would be testing $10 in the next couple weeks. Looks like it will be doing this first out of the top 10. If you guys want to see my top 10 crypto price predictions for the first couple weeks of January, check out my recent video. There's also a link to that video in the top right of this video. I pretty much go over my price predictions for all top 10 cryptos over the next couple weeks. So I want to briefly talk about fiat currencies and why you need to be diversified, holding other assets to protect yourself from losing purchasing power over the next couple years. If you're just holding your money in your savings account in USD fiat, you're going to be losing purchasing power. That money is going to be worth less and less over time. You don't see it because with cryptocurrencies, you see it because it's compared to USD value. So if you see the USD value going down, you know the value is going down. But with USD, the value is always the same unless you compare it to something else. So you really don't see how it's losing purchasing power until you go to the store and everything costs more. And that will be increasing over the next couple years more and more. The purchasing power of your savings account will be going down very drastically as they print more and more fiat. And this is just inevitable. So holding other assets like cryptocurrencies, gold, silver, stocks, and other things will protect you from this. And this should go up in value as USD inflation continues to climb. And we are seeing the effect of that on cryptocurrencies. But I think over 2021, things are really going to be exploding with cryptocurrencies, especially some of these top 10s that haven't seen a lot of profits yet. So yesterday, SparkPoint burned 368 million SRK, if you haven't heard, and SRK price is actually starting to go up. And I'm going to talk about this as well. It actually pumped very briefly on Bitmart, up 4x, as you guys can see here. Someone bought 21 million SRK, market bought it all the way up and spent a huge premium just to get a huge stack. And as we can see now, it is starting to go up in general. So on other exchanges, the price is going up as well. Besides that, SRK has been trending in CoinMarketCap as well. So this could just be bringing in new investors because it's trending, new people finding out about the project. At the same time, the circulating supply has dropped a lot as well. The CEO, Andy, has also posted about SRK gains this year. Bitcoin price has increased around 300% this year, while SparkPoint SRK increased 5,600% overall. At certain points, it was much higher than this. SRK is still a microcap with 10.3 million market valuation on CoinMarketCap. And with a lot of updates coming this 2021, I believe it can surpass its performance this year. I definitely agree with this. I think SparkPoint SRK is just extremely undervalued still. So if we check out SRK here on CoinMarketCap, the price is going up 12% right now. And as we can see, the total supply has been reduced after they burned that massive amount of SRK. That was over $500,000 worth of SRK at a $10 million market cap is a huge chunk of the supply. And I do think that will start reflecting on the pricing. So they are trying to burn SRK every single quarter until this total supply is reduced from 14 billion down to 10 billion, which really isn't a huge total supply. If comparing this to other top projects like XRP, Tron, and Cardano, this is a much smaller total supply. And considering that at 10 billion total supply, that's only enough for 10,000 people to own 1 million SRK each. So on the market pairs here, the price is going up overall. The best place to get SRK is going to be on Uniswap or Bitmart. Not a lot of liquidity though on Bitmart, as we saw the price going up 4x here. So if you do want to buy a lot, the best place is going to be Uniswap, and they will be getting some new exchange listings and stuff since they just launched their new token, SFuel, and that just got listed on CoinMarketCap. So the presale was at 3 cents. It touched 6 cents today. It is starting to go up. This hasn't been announced by Binance yet, which this is on the Binance Smart Chain, and it is a DeFi project. Also a finance project that will be doing loans backed by cryptocurrency, and they're even doing NFT backed loans and microloans. So I think Binance is really going to like the, SparkPoint and SFuel. As we can see, the max supply is 150 million, which is very similar to Binance BNB as well. And every quarter, SRK holders will get SFuel airdrops depending on how much SRK they hold. So the more SRK you hold, the more SFuel you'll get per quarter from airdrops. There's going to be a quarter every airdrop until the end of 2021. So over the next week, I will be doing a tutorial on how to buy SFuel and SRK and how to stake both as well on the PancakeSwap and other things. So be sure to be subscribed and hit the bell if you do want to learn about that. Besides that, SparkPoint just released another free course. So something I really like is they really have a great platform for onboarding new cryptocurrency users. And as we see retail interest peak in the crypto space, this is going to be huge for SparkPoint. It's going to give a lot of newcomers to the crypto space a platform where they can learn about cryptocurrency, they can earn free crypto rewards, they can download the free mobile games that SparkPoint has and earn some crypto, as well as have some fun with that. So just a great platform for onboarding new people. And this is completely free education. These are courses worth at least $100. So definitely I recommend signing up and getting these free courses. I even have a free course in here that I did called Cryptocurrency 101, Buy, Sell, and Trade for Beginners. This is a 15 video course, around 2 hours of free content for you guys that sign up here. You guys can also do monthly bounties with SparkPoint to earn SRK rewards, as well as play their mobile games to earn SRK rewards. So I really like that the SparkPoint platform is focusing on being a great platform to onboard new cryptocurrency investors, especially heading into a new bull market where there's going to be millions of people getting into cryptocurrency for the first time. So the price of SparkPoint is actually going up while I'm doing this video, just crazy. I do think this is extremely undervalued, and this will be outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum and probably all the top 10 altcoins in Q1, just because it's so undervalued in my opinion. Only around $11 million market cap. I think this project should be over 50 million, even 100 million. That will play out over time though, especially as they burn more coins and add more utility to the token. So I definitely see SparkPoint SRK outperforming both Bitcoin, Ethereum, and pretty much all top 10s in Q1. And we did see that in 2020. And I've been talking about this since the beginning. So if you guys were subscribed and actually bought in, got some SRK, even at the beginning of May, you're probably up over 20x right now. Just insane when you think about that. And it's still very undervalued. There's only around 3,000 to 4,000 holders of SparkPoint SRK. When Binance lists this and it gets put on the map, there's going to be at least 20,000 or more holders. And that's going to be massive demand all at once, which is the scenario where I see SparkPoint SRK getting to 1 cent, which is over a 5x from here, putting it over $50 million market cap. So I know some of you are probably tired of me talking about SparkPoint SRK, but I'm only talking about it because I truly believe it's a hidden gem with massive profit potential, especially over Q1. I do think in 2021, SparkPoint SRK and Cardano ADA are going to be two of the best performing cryptocurrencies in the entire cryptocurrency space. We'll see where what happens end of 2021. I'll do an update on that. But in my opinion, these are two solid projects that are very solid bets. I constantly research altcoins, and I haven't found a single one that comes close to SparkPoint. So this video is not a paid sponsorship or anything. I'm not paid to promote SparkPoint in my videos. I was only paid in the beginning to be a marketing advisor, and I'm still holding those tokens because I think it's so undervalued, and I will continue holding them. I will never sell all my SRK, especially since I could stake it and earn passive income on that now. It's just would be dumb to sell SRK at this point. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. I hope you guys all have a great New Year's, and I hope 2021 is better for everyone in general. Over the next 2 weeks, keep an eye out on the top 10 cryptos. I do think that stimulus package will be pumping altcoins that haven't really gone up much yet. Cardano ADA specifically, in my opinion. Polkadot's already up 70%, but that is another similar platform that's going to be a major competitor to Ethereum, but all of them will coexist. Ethereum should be testing 1,000 soon. Bitcoin, we'll see if that touches 30K in the next week. Just insane. Lots of media coming out of Bitcoin hitting its all-time highs, which does mean retail interest is coming to the crypto space, which just means cryptos will pump more and more because that's increased demand at the same time as supply is shrinking as people buy more and more and take it out of circulation. So as we can see, Ethereum is peaking in Google Trends, just like pretty much all other top 10 cryptos. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys have a great new year. And if you guys want to support my channel, a free way to do that is like the video, comment below. I will try to reply to all the comments, and share this video anywhere on social media, even if you don't have followers. It does help the YouTube algorithms rank the video better, and it does help the channel grow, so I do appreciate that. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.